Hey F-150 owners, if you have an AC unit in your truck that doesn't blow cooled air when the outside temperature gets above 95 degrees, I've got a fix. Been having a problem with my AC for about 2 years. It worked great when the temperature was in the 70s, 80s, but once it hit 90, 95, it just started blowing hot air. So I took it to my regular mechanic. He changed the Freon, checked it for leaks, and that did not really help anything. Once it got above 90, 95, it was hot air again. So I took it to another mechanic. He changed the compressor for $1,600. That didn't help, so I took it back to the same guy. He replaced a solenoid and for $140. That didn't help. So I figured, maybe I would try and flush the radiator system, and that didn't seem to help either. So I decided, maybe there's not enough water flowing through the radiator to keep the AC compressor working. So I took out the old radiator and found it to be just covered in oil and dirt and dust, which was preventing air from flowing over the exterior vents of the radiator. And I put a new radiator in. It cost me about $130 on Amazon, plus I had to buy the tool to connect the copper tubing to the radiator, which was $9. If you're gonna get the new radiator, make sure you get that tool. And with the new radiator in, right now I'm driving down I-5 in California. It's 110 degrees outside, and my truck is ice cold. So like I said, if you've tried everything else, the key here is if it's blowing hot air when it's extremely hot outside, this could be your fix.